Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this 2016 Maserati Ghibli S Sedan with the remainder of its factory warranty. The prestigious Maserati is a standout in the midsize luxury sedan segment, thanks to high performance, aggressive lines and contours, unique exhaust note, and most importantly, its relatively affordable price point. With a Ferrari-sourced 3-liter twin turbocharged V6 under the hood, you can expect thrilling acceleration, and the ride comfort, athletic handling, and upscale cabin are just a few more reasons why this Ghibli should be a top contender on your test drive list. The cabin of this S trim has all of the Italian flair and panache that you would expect, with supple leather surfaces and a respectable array of high-tech comfort, convenience, and safety features. This one features navigation, backup camera, an 8.4-inch infotainment touchscreen interface, a sunroof, keyless entry and ignition, dual-zone automatic climate control, a power-adjustable steering wheel, 8-way power-adjustable front seats with 4-way lumbar adjustments, driver memory functions, a premium Harman Kardon sound system with 10 speakers, an 8-speed automatic transmission, and a USB port. The exterior enjoys upgraded brakes, adaptive headlights with washers, and multi-spoke white wheels. For a full list of specifications on this particular model, please visit our website at luxurymotorsports.us. We invite you to come and experience the Maserati excellence for yourself, pumping out 404 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. This rear-wheel drive is guaranteed to thrill. The acceleration is inspiring, the exhaust note is second to none, and the sporty, agile, and athletic handling will have you seeking out those hairpin back roads. However, for everyday driving, you will find this Ghibli is composed, quiet, and well-mannered. Power, performance, prestige, all blended together at a highly affordable price point makes this Maserati a must-see. Come see how easy it is to drive, sign, and buy at Luxury Motorsports. Luxury Motorsports is open 7 days a week. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352.